Good day, sir. We are the Group 1, and our title for our case study is Inventory System with User-Level Access. For the project goals.
Project goals. Discuss the importance and the advantage of mobile application with database. Discuss the proposed system importance or significance and give a brief overview and or description.
And for the introduction.
Introduction. Mobile application become crucial in the digital age for managing, accessing, and processing information. Database integration is essential for handling large volume of data securely and efficiently. This system aims to provide a comprehensive inventory management solution, bridging the gap between traditional methods and modern user-friendly platform. It streamlines inventory process with automated update, real-time tracking, and data analytics. The system also offers scalability and mobile accessibility, allowing businesses to grow while maintaining efficiency. It also allows data synchronization across devices, reducing redundancy and maintaining uniformity. Cloud technology is often used in mobile application, improving accessibility and scalability.
And for the system design, the data dictionary. Here, sir, we can see the inventory system, which is we can perform the CRUD operation, the create, read, update, and delete. Pag nag-registered ka as admin, sir, makakapag-perform ka ng CRUD. While if nag-registered ka as user, you cannot perform CRUD. Access denied ka po kasi you are just a user, and ang magagawa mo lang po is mag-search i-search yung mga list updated or last updated na mga item name po sa baba. And for the entity relationship diagram,
Users can only access search for inventory. Yung mga admin lang po yung pwedeng add ng item and edit and delete. Pag po users po yung gumagamit ng inventory system, makakapag search lang po sila ng mga items, and pag admin po, pwede po silang mag-delete, mag-edit, at mag-add.
and for the conclusion and recommendation,
Our conclusion, this case study highlights how a mobile app-based inventory management system solves traditional issues like inefficiency, inaccuracy, and scalability by providing real-time stock updates, user-friendly interface, and actionable analytics. It optimizes operation and support informed decision-making utilizing technology like jQuery Mobile, JavaScript, and PHP. The system ensures responsiveness, reduce errors, and enhance efficiency. Its scalable, cloud-based design meets modern market demands, driving innovation and sustainable business success. For recommendation, the proposed system seeks to optimize inventory management and boost operational efficiency. Future plans include AI-driven predictive analytics, cloud scalability, and IoT device like RFID for real-time tracking. Expansion into sectors like healthcare, manufacturing, and e-commerce, along with user-specific customization, is envisioned. Enhanced security, third-party integration, and perform benchmarking will ensure scalable, innovative solution for modern business needs.
And this is our presentation for our title, Inventor System with User Level Access, submitted by Nick Justin B. Magtuloy, Princess O. Calma, Angela E. Avila, Nicole Enriquez, Joan G. Esguerra, Michelle D. Guanlao. Thank you for your listening.